my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I like snacky food, especially when it's movie night. Chips, popcorns, or Cracker Jacks are the typical ones. But once in a while, I like something sweet, like these Maple Glazed Walnuts. I like them as is, but I also use them when I make my walnut cake or toppings for cereals and salads. They make a great addition for a charcuterie board. So let's get cooking.
In a skillet over medium heat, we'll add the walnuts. Because I'll be using some as a garnish on the salad, I cut them in half, but you don't have to. We'll also add a good quality maple syrup and a tiny pinch of fleur de sel. For those of you who are not familiar with it, here's the brand I use, and it can be found online or at specialty stores. Stirring often, we'll cook for 6 to 7 minutes or until the maple syrup starts to caramelize and coats the nuts. A good indication to know if it's done, the mixture will start sticking together. See? So we'll remove from the heat and spread them evenly in a single layer on a small baking sheet. We'll allow the walnuts to cool completely before transferring to the fridge for 2 hours. A couple hours later, we'll take the tray out and release the walnuts from the bottom, then return them back to the fridge. I like to do that a few times until they don't stick anymore. Not only will they dry out, but also be less sticky. I normally make them a couple days beforehand. And my friends, these are our maple glazed walnuts. This is an easy and delicious recipe to make, plus it's very versatile. Besides using them as a cake decoration, they're also amazing with a charcuterie board, a topper for salads and cereals, or just by themselves. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!